Statistically speaking, people sometimes die soon after retirement or starting their pension due to several interrelated factors. These factors are often influenced by lifestyle changes, psychological effects, pre-existing health conditions, and other socioeconomic issues. Here's an exploration of the main reasons. 1. Loss of routine and purpose. Retirement often leads to a significant change in daily routine and sense of purpose. Many people derive meaning and social interaction from their jobs, and retirement can sometimes lead to feelings of loneliness, boredom, and loss of identity. These psychological effects may trigger depression or anxiety, which have been linked to negative health outcomes. Going from a structured, active daily schedule to a more sedentary and unstructured one can reduce both mental and physical stimulation. Reduced activity can increase the risk of diseases like heart disease or stroke. 2. Pre-existing health conditions. Many people delay retirement until they are already experiencing serious health issues. By the time they retire, the underlying health problems that had been masked or managed during their working years may worsen. This could be due to stress, unhealthy work environments, or just the natural aging process. In such cases, retirement might coincide with a decline in health, as people may not receive regular medical care or maintain healthy routines after leaving the workforce. 3. Sedentary lifestyle. Retirement can lead to reduced physical activity. A sudden drop in activity can negatively impact health, increasing the likelihood of weight gain, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Physical inactivity is a well-known risk factor for a range of chronic diseases. People who retire without maintaining an active lifestyle may experience faster declines in both physical and mental health, leading to premature death. Changes in social interaction. The workplace often provides an important social network. Upon retirement, many people lose their regular social interactions, which can lead to social isolation. Studies have shown that loneliness and social isolation are significant risk factors for premature death, comparable to the effects of smoking or obesity. Cognitive decline. Research indicates that staying mentally engaged is important for brain health. After retirement, a lack of mental stimulation can lead to faster cognitive decline, increasing the risk of conditions such as dementia or Alzheimer's disease. Jobs that require mental engagement or problem-solving can help keep the brain active. After retirement, this mental stimulation can diminish, accelerating cognitive issues. Some individuals may retire without sufficient financial resources, leading to stress about money inability to afford proper health care, or even insufficient access to healthy food or medications. This financial instability can lead to earlier death, especially in countries without strong social safety nets. Healthcare coverage may also change after retirement, leading to gaps in care or inability to maintain health treatments that were affordable while working. Retirement shock refers to the sudden transition from work life to retirement. This transition can be stressful for some people, especially if they are not emotionally or financially prepared for the changes. Stress has a known link to increased mortality rates due to its effects on the cardiovascular system and immune response. Several studies support these observations. A 2017 study from the Harvard School of Public Health found that people who retire at 65 are 11% more likely to die within the first 10 years of retirement compared to those who retire later. Research has shown that individuals who retire early, before 60, can experience higher mortality rates, particularly if their health or lifestyle deteriorates after leaving work. The early death of individuals after starting their pension is a multifaceted issue involving physical, psychological, and social factors. Maintaining an active lifestyle, social engagement, mental stimulation, and good healthcare practices are key to reducing these risks and improving post-retirement life expectancy.